on, what are you doing? Oh, you stupid woman. Drive. You're moulding everybody up.
Oh my
God above. It's going to cause an accident, Earlies. What are you doing? Now you've just made the situation worse. Absolute idiots.
Police, what a sort.
Come on!
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ! Idiots! Now I've stalled the car. Absolute morons! Don't know how to bloody drive. Stupid woman!
I'm gonna go down on camera so Dad will
Yeah, your
upload
dad's
that.
got to look at that. Oh my God, here's another one. Are you gotta be joking me? Idiots! Who reverses on a bend?
They're not idiots.
They are.
No, they're
They
not.
don't know how to drive.